So, I have tried recording this video maybe 7 to 8 times now, and my English is going to suck no matter what I do. So I just say, let's just start with the video and just fuck it, let's just go. Today I'm gonna talk about my first impressions about the snowbike and perhaps some tips and tricks I can teach for those who want to purchase one. My bike's a 2021 Huqvarna 501 FE, and it has a OneTrack 120 on it from Brutalteknik, that's in Sweden. And no, I do not believe they deliver it to the States, but I am not sure. Also, don't mind the missing front fork guard, I met a tree, as usual. Anyways, it has a FMF carbon 4.1 I believe, exhaust and a recluse kit. Nothing else. It's pretty much stock. I've changed the springs. I'm a quite a much heavier rider, so I needed some stiffer springs, and it works perfect for me now. The bike itself, it's very torquey, and it has a lot of power in it. So I don't have any issues at all getting up the steepest hills. I know some other guys do run 450s, and I do believe they're a very explosive engine and very torquey too. But I wanted the 501 because it's street legal, and you don't have to maintain it just as much as a 450. 450s are mainly motocross bikes, and they are built for the higher power. I am not going to lie to you. The first couple of rides was very difficult. Now I am riding in the footage maybe 30 centimeters of snow, which makes it super hard. And but now I've ridden it maybe 10-15 times, and man, trust me, it's so fun to ride. Just when you get the speed and you go along with the trees, try not to hit the trees, just as I do many times. And man, it's so fun to ride. Now I also have a lot less hours on a snow bike than a snowmobile. Snowmobile I've ridden since I was a tiny baby, and this is quite new to me. So, but this is what it is. It's a beginner's advice for beginners. Also, one more important thing: when you are riding this for the first time in any kind of snow, you want to try to never put your feet down when you are parking the snow bike. You will guaranteed fall over, trust me. I had a friend try my snowbike here the other day, and we were both in agreement that it feels neither like a motorbike or a snowmobile. It's like something completely new. It's like nothing you have ever ridden before, I would say. It feels more like bicycling than actual motorbikes. It is quite fun to learn something new. That is the fun part of it, because it's something completely new to ride, so you kind of feel like a baby again trying to walk. And so what I did is that I was just only riding trails for the beginning, because I can't learn to do stuff if I can't even drive it. I have to start easy, maybe just go on trails, and that will get me the experience that I need to try something new. So if you get one, just do not go completely wild at the beginning. You will crash it. You have to walk before you can run, right? If you are like me and live alongside mountains, you should always carry with you a shovel and a probe and an avalanche beacon. I always carry with me a GPS and an InReach too, just in case. Sometimes it happens that I bring new people to my place and I ask if they have these items in order, and most likely they are going to say no, because they do not ride in the mountains, so they do not need it. and that's always 100% bullshit. You need a probe or avalanche beacon or a shovel wherever you go, because if you do not ride in the mountains, your bodies maybe will, and they need someone to bury them out just in case in an accident. So I would recommend that wherever you are in the flatlands or wherever you live, always carry with you these items. I was recently asked on Instagram if you could survive only using a snowbike in the winter. And I thought really hard on this, and my truly and honest answer is yes, I do think you will survive. You will have plenty of fun. If you are planning on going on boring trips like ice fishing and tenting and stuff, yeah, you should own a snowmobile too. Because the snowbike can't really carry that much and the fuel capacity is very limited. I have a Sidewinder too this season, so I will be filming Sidewinder videos and snowbike videos, which I'm looking really forward to. I enjoy both vehicles greatly. If you are unsure if you want to buy a snowbike, try borrowing one first and take it for a spin. Hopefully you can do it in a day when there is plenty of powder snow, because I think this is the best way to ride a snowbike. And it will be much easier too than riding on hard stuff as I am doing in the footage right now. Remember, when you're riding this the first time it will feel quite different, but when you get the hang of riding, it will be a completely new fun factor. A whole other level. If you're having some issues during these COVID-19 days, then it perhaps would be wise to just own a snowbike, because then you have quite fun in the winter as well as summer. So that's also a pro that I would get on the list. We are nearing our end of this video. So if you did enjoy a commentary from me from the first time, please leave a comment in the comment section, or like the video if you enjoyed it, or dislike it if you hated it. Since I now can talk, I can also say thank you for all of these subs. It's been very fun to make videos for you guys. And I have also seen that plenty of you are not subscribed to me, so please consider it if you like these kind of videos.
So long, gay boys!
The hell are you supposed to be? I'm vengeance.